Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have two little boys that love the game of basketball. So we purchased these Spalding all-conference basketballs. I really liked that they offered different sizes. I have a 10 and a 7-year-old. So we got my 7-year-old the 28.5-inch and my older son the 29.5-inch. So you can see the size difference. Another thing I appreciate about these basketballs is they tend to hold the air better than the off-brand ones we've had. We're not constantly having to refill them with air. They also have a really nice solid grip. I'm not sure what the material is that Spalding uses to make their basketballs out of, but the grip on here is a little bit softer and, for lack of a better word, just more grippy. So my kids like how they handle. They've got a great bounce because they don't lose air. So if you're looking for a good quality basketball, I would definitely recommend these. I know my kids have literally had hours of fun with them, and I'm sure you will too. And that's my point of view.